when we did our shakedown at Sundance Lakes RV Resort, a couple of things popped loose. We had a couple of issues that arose. Talked to Lazy Days. They said bring it up. So we brought it up to them. And Katie's parents were gracious enough to let us stay here. So we've been hanging out with Grandma and Grandpa for a couple of days, which has been wonderful for Madison and for us. But the rig is finally done. And so early, it is 7:56, and I said I want to hit the road by 8. So we are doing amazingly. We're going to head up to Ocala from Clearwater, pick up the rig, and then we are going to go to our winter home. All right, well, as you see, we are in front of Raina. We have come back for her.
We made it.
We made it.
And it was actually a really easy drive. And I'll tell you, so far we have only seen the outside. We will take you in with us. But so far we can see that there has been one tire replaced. So
yes. Yeah,
that is great.
One of these tires seemed like it had a bubble in it, so we had them go ahead and change it out. So we are going to go ahead and do slide number 3, which is this big slide.
So this is the slide where we had problems. Okay, stop it there, babe.
Yep.
I'm going to walk back here.
I'm going to turn the lights on.
Oh, nice. Oh, our chairs fit right here. Supposedly. So this is where we ran into issues before. Everything is closed.
Okay, I'm going to keep coming out there.
Yeah, go ahead. Oh, that was not like that before.
Yeah, they, I don't know what these are.
Those are definitely a different latch. That was not there.
Yeah. Yeah, those are new. Cool. So I feel like what they have done for this drawer should fix our issue. We're probably still going to do something like sticking a rod down between all of the handles or something just to keep it a little bit more copacetic. But I do feel like this is definitely... Boy, I mean, it's... yeah, that they don't want us to have that problem again. That's for sure.
All right, and away we go. Looking good. Yeah, that's great. Easy peasy. Oh, all that water. Oof. How'd she feel?
Heavy.
Yep, she sure is.
She's a big one.
Yep, aren't we all? All right, we are hitched up. We have just turned out of Lazy Days and we are heading to our new home, which is up in Cedar Key. We do have that RV lot like we talked about earlier that we're going to go to for the first time since it has been ours.
Some time later. Hello, welcome back. We are about 20 miles from our destination, and we are pretty excited. We called the RV resort and let them know that we were on the way, and they said they'd be waiting for us, ready to welcome us home. This has been a really easy drive from Ocala up to Cedar Key, and we're going to go ahead and you'll see us kind of coming through the whole process, pulling into the spot. We're going to go in, check in, see if they got anything for us, and then we'll probably do a time lapse or something of us kind of pulling in the spot, setting up, checking out our new home. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. We really enjoyed making it. But right now I'd like to take a second and invite you to like and subscribe to the channel. It really does help the channel grow, and we really appreciate all the support that you guys are bringing, and keep it up. Now, back to the video.
Here we are at Cedar Key RV Resort. We are just getting everything set up. So as you can see, we do have all of our space here, which is wonderful. But we also have a puff monster, which is more important. You want some puffs, baby? Yeah, okay. We'll get you some puffs. All right. Are we level?
Success.
Success. We are level. And that was one of the big things that was important to us in our new RV, was to have auto leveling. And let me tell you, it is a dream.
Wow, we haven't even put the slides out. Mommy's ready to party already.
This is putting the slide out.
That was clever.
Instructions unclear.
That was clever. That was clever. Mommy's funny.
Mommy funny.
Mommy's funny.
Mommy funny.
You can go ahead, baby. First priority, putting the slide out.
Go down the slide at your new home. New home. Whee! Oh.
Yeah, pick your feet up next time, baby.
You can't really see because we're playing in the pasture here, but I'm going to go ahead and set up the water and the sewer. So we run the water through the bottom here and up into city water inlet. Now, the stinky part. We have to hook up the sewer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and lay out. I think we're going to need 2 sections for the rear, which is for the kitchen. And then we'll need 1 section to go from here, which is the shower and the toilet, so black and gray. So we'll just do 1 section here, and then a 2-sectioner down at the end. I'm going to go ahead and lay them out and kind of map it out to see exactly where we're at. Okay, so here we are at the back of the Rockwood, and inside here is our stinky sinky. I just have to give it a good yank. This is the 3rd section here. Sometimes these things are so hard to open. Come on. There we go. So basically you have 2 end caps. You have an inner cap and an outer cap, and they kind of fold into each other. All right. Yeah, we're gonna need to get an extender here. Okay, there's 1, there's 2, tighten it in. Now we need to put the supports in. All right, good afternoon and welcome to our new home. This is lot 69 at Cedar Key RV Resort, and it is ours. We own this little piece of Florida. We came here in January and checked it out, and we walked around. They had a couple of units that were available for purchase, and after the ones that we all looked at, we ended up with this one, lot 69. So one of the things we really like about it is it's got quite a large grassy area, which is great for Madison to run around. It is in the back of the park, so you kind of have to mean to go back here to come here, which is real nice. Nice level concrete pads, got a picnic bench at every place. There is some stuff that you can do. I'll kind of show you. A couple of the other units have like storage sheds on their piece of property, or they have like a sandy area, or like a rocky area for another car to park, or they have a couple of different things, which is pretty neat. I feel great right now that the sun's back there, so our rig right now is creating shade for this picnic area, which is great. That is super awesome. That come 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon, every afternoon, we have this beautiful shade. On this side we can sit and hang out, watch Madison play in the grass. Okay, so here we are on a walk in our new park. Lead us to home, Bubba. You're the leader. Take me to your leader. And then this is our spot.